Welcome to Growazid, your ultimate destination for rustic antique charm, vintage aesthetics, and timeless classic elegance. We bring you inspiring decor ideas, home styling tips, and creative ways to infuse history into modern living. From weathered wood textures to ornate vintage treasures, our content celebrates the art of timeless beauty. Rustic and antique home inspiration, vintage collectibles and decor ideas, classic and elegant interior styling, white and neutral palette aesthetic home tours, and DIY vintage transformations. Subscribe now and embark on a journey through classic sophistication with a touch of nostalgia. A cozy farmhouse kitchen is all about warmth, charm, and functionality. But when space is limited, keeping everything organized can be a challenge. The key is to combine aesthetics with smart storage solutions that maximize every inch of your kitchen. Whether you love rustic wooden accents or vintage-inspired decor, these organization tips will help you create a stylish yet practical space. Get ready to transform your small kitchen into a cozy farmhouse haven. When counter space is scarce, look up. Vertical storage solutions, such as wall-mounted shelves, pegboards, and hanging racks, can free up valuable workspace. Install open shelving to display your favorite farmhouse dishware while keeping it easily accessible. Hanging pots and pans on a sturdy rack adds to the rustic charm while saving cabinet space. In a small farmhouse kitchen, every piece of furniture should serve multiple purposes. Consider a kitchen island with built-in storage, foldable tables, or benches with hidden compartments. A rolling cart can act as additional counter space, pantry storage, or even a coffee station. Multifunctional pieces ensure that your kitchen stays clutter-free and efficient. Make the most of your cabinets by using stackable shelves, pull-out organizers, and lazy Susans. Install hooks inside cabinet doors to store measuring cups, pot holders, or small kitchen tools. You can also use labeled baskets or bins to keep pantry items neatly arranged. This way, you can maintain order while easily finding what you need. Nothing says farmhouse style like mason jars and woven baskets. Use mason jars for storing dry goods like flour, sugar, and pasta, keeping them fresh while adding a rustic touch. Woven baskets are great for organizing fresh produce, kitchen linens, or even spices. These natural elements enhance the farmhouse aesthetic while providing functional storage. Hooks and racks are an easy and affordable way to add storage to a small kitchen. Install hooks under cabinets for mugs, utensils, or small pots. A wall-mounted rack for spices, cutting boards, or dish towels keeps frequently used items within reach. By utilizing wall space efficiently, you can free up precious counter and drawer space. A pegboard is a versatile and stylish storage solution for farmhouse kitchens. Mount one on an empty wall to hang kitchen tools, pots, and even decorative items. You can customize the layout by rearranging hooks and shelves as needed. Not only does it create additional storage, but it also adds a charming, rustic touch. A small kitchen feels more open and inviting with a light, neutral color palette. White, cream, soft gray, and pastel hues enhance the farmhouse charm while making the space appear larger. Pairing these colors with natural wood and vintage decor creates a warm and cozy atmosphere. Light colors also reflect natural light, brightening up the space. Traditional cabinet doors can take up extra space when opened. Instead, consider sliding barn doors or folding cabinet doors to optimize space in a small farmhouse kitchen. These doors maintain the rustic appeal while allowing for easier access to storage areas. Plus, they add a charming farmhouse touch that enhances the overall design. A clutter-free kitchen feels more spacious and functional. Regularly declutter by donating or storing items you don't use often. Seasonal decor and kitchenware can be rotated in and out of storage to maintain a fresh look without overcrowding the space. Keeping only the essentials on display ensures a tidy and visually pleasing kitchen. Labeling is a simple yet effective way to keep a farmhouse kitchen organized. Use chalkboard labels, wooden tags, or vintage-style labels on jars, baskets, and containers. This not only adds a farmhouse aesthetic but also helps you find ingredients and kitchen tools quickly. A well-labeled kitchen minimizes clutter and keeps things in order. Even in a small kitchen, a cozy breakfast nook can create a welcoming atmosphere. A built-in bench with under-seat storage maximizes space while providing a comfortable seating area. Add farmhouse-style cushions and a rustic table to complete the look. This nook becomes a charming spot for morning coffee or casual meals. A rustic pot rack adds character while saving valuable cabinet space. Whether it's a ceiling-mounted rack or a simple wall-mounted rail, hanging your cookware keeps it within easy reach. Choose wrought iron or wooden racks for an authentic farmhouse feel. This simple addition enhances both organization and style. If your farmhouse kitchen lacks pantry space, a rolling storage cart can be a game changer. These carts can store spices, canned goods, or baking essentials while being moved as needed. Opt for a vintage-inspired design to complement the farmhouse aesthetic. A mobile pantry adds flexibility and convenience to a small kitchen. Decor plays a vital role in creating a cozy farmhouse kitchen, but it's important to keep it practical. Choose functional decor, such as wooden crates for storage, vintage signs, or enamelware for utensils. Avoid overcrowding surfaces. Instead, balance beauty and functionality for a clean yet charming farmhouse look. A small kitchen doesn't mean you have to sacrifice farmhouse charm or organization. By utilizing vertical space, choosing multifunctional furniture, and incorporating rustic storage solutions, you can create a cozy and efficient kitchen. Simple touches like mason jars, pegboards, and rolling carts make a big impact in both style and practicality. With these smart organization tips, your small farmhouse kitchen will feel warm, inviting, and perfectly put together.